Hello, this video is how to use Microsoft Teams intended for the TLC here at CMU. First things first, what you're going to want to do is open up your Mavzone, and then once here, go to your applications on the left side of the screen. Scroll down here, go down to Microsoft Teams, and from here we're going to have a couple of different things that I'm going to show you. First thing we're going to do is start up a text chat with a student, and we'll start from there. So what you're going to want to do is in the top left on the left side of the search bar, hit the New Chat button, type in the name of the student you're going to be helping, and then hit Enter. Once you're here, you are now chatting with your student, and you're able to type out whatever message you wish in the bottom bar and send it to the student by hitting Enter. Once here, you can attach images, send pictures, and try to help them through text. In the event that you want a video chat with the student, first thing you can do is go up to the top right where you see the video chat icon. Go ahead and click on that, and you will begin a video chat with the student. Once video chatting with the student, what you can do is go down to the center of the screen here, and you have a load of options available to you. First things first is you can turn your camera off, you can mute your microphone, but most importantly, you can share your screen. Once here, you can hit the screen share button, and what it will do is give you an option of what screen you'd like to share. For this scenario, we're just going to share our primary screen. In the event you both want to use a whiteboard and have a common space where both of you can work on something, what you need to do is when you're in the chat with the student, go to the top right and hit Add People, and then type in Writing Center. Once you add this user, which will show up as unknown, and begin a video call with them again, you'll see on your Share Screen option that you now have a Microsoft whiteboard. This whiteboard can be opened up. Once you have the whiteboard open, there's a various amount of tools you can use that both you and the student you're helping can utilize in order to get the job done. If you have any questions, please contact us at the Office of Distance Education here at CMU.